everyone, I am about to start making my gift baskets. So, and yeah, got my wine, my cheap Moscato. Yeah, it was only like $3.98. It was on sale, but the regular price is like $4 or something. It's cheap, but yeah, it's pretty good, y'all. And so right now I'm about to start making the gift basket for my friend who's getting married. All right, so yeah, let's start. All right, here is everything. It's gonna be a pretty simple basket. Nothing bougie or major because I'm broke, but I still wanted to make something work and get something. So it's gonna be pretty basic and but cute. So I got some fabric to wrap it in, bows, some his and her little gifts. Little cups with a little mustache. Y'all can see that. Yeah. Some chocolates, some wine. Never tried this kind, but it's Moscato, so I know that it's gonna be yummy. Vintage Crush. Yeah. Got some Pepperidge Farm strawberry chocolate cookies. Look good. Yummy. And a candle that smells really good. Okay. And some little suckers. Not sure if I'm going to do this or not, but I was thinking of putting two blue suckers in the his cup and two pink suckers in the her cup. Don't know. Then I got some crackers, some table water crackers. You know, kind of seem like crackers and wine go together. So that's cracked pepper crackers. I never tried it, but I'm sure it'll be good. Got a cute little basket. It's a Christmas basket, but hey, it'll work. It's really cute. Put that in there. And got my tissue paper shreds. So let's get started. Okay, y'all, I finished the basket and I think it turned out pretty cute. I hope she likes it. I like it. And yes, I am sitting on the floor if you're wondering. No, I'm not drunk. I had some stuff on the floor that I was messing with. I had a bag of stuff on the floor and I just sit on the floor and start messing with it. So yeah, I'm on the floor. But y'all, as you see, the candle I had it wouldn't fit in the basket. So I couldn't put the little purple candle in there because it couldn't fit. So I think that's the only thing that didn't fit in there. It was either the candle or the crackers I had to leave out. So I was like, I'll leave the candle out. I mean, I'll leave the candle out. So, yeah. Thank y'all for watching the video, y'all. And I hope y'all enjoyed it. And I hope you liked it. Alright. Holla at y'all. I'm feeling high.